How to hide Reddit profile from showing up in Google search. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and further tap on the settings option from the bottom of your screen. Now, under the account settings tab, you will see your username. Tap on your username and scroll down to the privacy tab. Further, go ahead and toggle off the show up in search results toggle button, and with this, your profile will no longer show up in Google search. So this is how you can hide Reddit profile from showing up in Google search. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.